Good morning, dear students. In this video, you are going to learn the second poem, Geography lesson. You know what is geography, right? Geography is the physical features of the earth. It is also the study of space, land, planets, and also the study of human activities and economical activities, right? So here geography means the nature, the natural resources, right? So this is the poem. Geography lesson is written by Zulfikar Ghosh. Zulfikar Ghosh, he was born in the year of 1935 and he was died in the year of 2009. He was born in Sialkot in Pakistan, and in the year of 2004 he became the citizen of US, United States, and in the year of 2009 he was died. He was a famous poet, novelist, and essayist. This is an experience of the poet when he flew in the air with an aeroplane. In the poem, the poet describes how the earth was looked like when he sat in the aeroplane, how the buildings, rivers, cities were looked like to him. The poet felt very happy to see the beauty of nature, and also there were some questions came on his mind that we will be studying in the end of this stanza. Till then, that will be a surprise for you. What were the questions? Those questions came on the poet's mind. You might have flown in the air with an aeroplane, and you might have got many experience, and you might have felt very happy to see the beauty of nature from the sky to the land, right? If you have not flown, you can fly in the future. Don't worry, okay? So, take your textbook and see the page number 34, Geography lesson. In this video, I will be explaining only 2 stanzas, okay? Total we have 3 stanzas and 24 lines in this poem, okay? And each stanza has 8 lines. You can count now. Okay. When the jet sprang, jet here means aeroplane. Sprang means flew. Write the meaning, underline the word and write the meaning. Sprang means flew into the sky. It was clear why the city had developed the way it had, seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile. There seemed an inevitability. Please underline the word inevitability. That means unavoidable. About what on ground had looked haphazard. Please underline the word haphazard. Means without plan or order. That means no plan, no order. Unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. So, by reading this stanza, what can you understand? In the first stanza of the poem, the poet is telling that when his jet was started to fly in the air, he looked down to the earth and it was very clear to him that why the city had developed. He understood the city had developed as per the necessity of the people. And it looked like 6 inches to a mile. Mile is the unit of length, that means distance. The poet was also able to understand that some of the areas and regions of the land they were looked haphazard because there was no proper planning, no proper ideas and style for creating and developing these shapes of the lands. These are unavoidable things that we cannot avoid on the earth. The first line of this stanza again used in the last line of the stanza. It is repeated here. This is called a refrain or repetition. This is a poetic device that I will discuss with you later. Okay? Next, second stanza. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography that land and water attracted man was clearly delineated. Please underline the word delineated. That means shown when the jet reached 10,000 feet. In the second stanza of the poem, the poet is telling that when his jet was reached to 10,000 feet above from the earth, he understood why the nations, why the countries, they had cities, why the valleys and the rivers populated. Right? The truth was that the land and water attracted men. Right? You can imagine, you can think, most of the people, they prefer to stay, to live with the rivers. For example, agricultural purpose. Those people, farmers, if they want to grow crops, fruits, or some other business, people take shelter near the rivers. So water is very important for agricultural purpose. So many people, they come and take shelter near the river. So the rivers are getting populated. The number of the people are increased. And also some other people, they prefer to stay near the forest. For them, they want to enjoy the beauty of nature, the scenery of the nature. And some other people, they want to stay in cities and towns. That is their choice. That is why the poet is telling that it is the logic of geography, the truth of geography. That is the land and water attracting, motivating people to stay there. Right? When the jet reached 10,000 feet, again the first line of the second stanza repeated in the end of the stanza. That is called refrain. Okay? So, today we can conclude here. The last stanza we can discuss in the next video class. Okay, dear students? Till then, read and practice. Thank you for attending, watching the class.